Welcome to Masters at Whack. This is a monster of a Firestone. It has 20 bays. Now, this particular Firestone doesn't get done on a monthly basis. The lobby does, but not the garage doors. So let me just show you. This is 4 months of buildup. All right. I guess you can see it, right? Well, you can see the dirt on my hands. It's real trifling, nasty, trifling. All right, so I'm gonna clean it one garage door just to prove a point. Like, I really don't have nothing to prove, but for those skeptics, I'm gonna show you that this tool could clean dirty glass. I don't even have the right gliding strip on, but I'm gonna show you with what I got on here now. All right, now in this case, obviously you wouldn't want to use a tool with the windows this dirty because of the amount of windows that you have on both sides. This is like over 200 something windows, so you know it's best to have something that's going to hold a lot more water, even though I have constant water flow. But you're not really saving much time, you know what I mean? Where you see your value in the tool that I use is on the inside, where you don't really need to have a whole lot of water for one thing, and you just can move much faster because on the upper windows, when there's no debris like smudges or fingerprints, you really don't have to mop or agitate the window, and if you don't want to, you could just go one pass over. I agitate the windows to show y'all that y'all could, you know, because it depends on the job and what types of windows you use as to how you use the tool. You don't use the tool for the same type of window and the same degree of filthiness on there. You don't use it the same for every single type of window. You have to use it accordingly to the task at hand. So that being said, today is case study number 2. I'm gonna do the inside. Look what I have here. I haven't touched the bucket. Hold on one second. I haven't touched the bucket in 3 years. I haven't touched the bucket in 3 years, but look what I got today. I'm working by myself, so the case study is going to be done with myself, and I'm going to do the inside with a mop and squeegee, and then I'm going to do the other side with the way that I've been cleaning. You see, I've been cleaning this way for a long time now, that I really broke away from the way I used to work because it just became a habit form. I'm accustomed to it. Each situation, like I said, will be different as to which is faster, but we're going to see today, given the severity of how long it's been since I've been here, I'm going to test it out for you. This is Masters at Wagtail. Let's jump into it. Welcome to Masters at Wagtail. This dirty, this is clean. Dirty, clean. Now, as you can see, there's no streaks, no swirl marks. I only did the top row to show y'all, you know. I didn't show the whole thing because I have to cut. I gotta save enough footage for the case study, but I just wanted to prove a point. But I'm actually going to use the mop for the first time on the whole exterior, a separate mop, because it'll take me a little longer. Well, probably a lot longer, and I don't want to saturate my gliding strip that I just put on today with all that filth. So I'm gonna do that, and I also have, see, this is, you could double clean with a tool like this. So if you have that T-bar on real filthy windows, you could follow up with your one pass, and if you have it water fed, you'll never have to worry about dirty streaks or smears. And you know, because you don't dunk the mop after every 2 or 3 windows, because you're worried about so much dirt on the mop when you go to squeegee it. You know, squeegee in dirty water, it could, if you're not politically correct, it could hinder your results. So as you can see, on the nastiest of windows, this tool gets right up to the edges. All right, right up to the edges. It's a learning curve with it, I grant it, but it's not a learning curve that some of you professionals can't learn if you're quote unquote a professional. So some people say they're professionals, but they can't twirl a wagtail to save their life. You know, if it means that they were in the deep end of the ocean and they were drowning, they would sink to the bottom. For those so-called professionals. But all right, let me get back to work.